see me. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It has been not that long, so we just back at it. We just rolling out videos like that. As you guys know, I have my new to me 8.6. I love this thing to pieces. I look forward to driving it every single day. The main reason why I love driving this thing so much is because of one thing. This car has a manual transmission. And one of the most stupid cars, so many cars. One of the most important parts that comes with a manual transmission is its shifter. I've owned this car for at least 2 weeks now, and I'm already getting sick of the shifter, and it's already wearing out. So to eliminate that and to fix all my issues, it's not even really a big issue, but it's mainly just because I want this, is that I ordered myself a Likewise shift knob. A lot of my friends have requested me to try out the Likewise shift knob, and I decided, you know what, let's try it out. If I don't like it, fuck. And I've only really heard like good news about them. I haven't heard anything bad about their shifters, and this one is probably the best one that you can get from their website. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and installed in the car. So we got the shifter on. It was a freaking B word to get it aligned. It's not even like aligned perfectly, but I honestly don't care anymore. It took so long. What I have installed right now is the Daytona Pro. So this isn't their normal Daytona. This is their Daytona Pro. So it's a lot heavier. I think the normal Daytona weighs around 0.6 pounds, grams, I don't know. This one weighs 1.6 pounds. And holy, can you feel a difference, dude? It makes shifting so easy. The sheer difference between the two. And this thing just looks so much better. And it literally just, it's not hard to put it in gear. Like, it literally just falls into gear every time. It just feels so, it feels so good. It feels so refined. Let's go ahead and go on a drive. Let's get a little drive in. Wow. Whoa. I haven't even started driving and I'm already like, whoa. Wow. That's so sus. This video probably looks so sus the whole time. I don't care. Oh, that is butter. Oh, wow. Whoa. It's just such a small mod and it... Oh, dude. It feels so buttery. It literally, it changes the whole driving experience, like totally. Oh my god, and it just goes, I barely gotta push it. Oh. Oh. Bro, this is a great investment, holy crap. I'm not even driving fast, and it's already fun. Yeah, this is solid, very solid. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, and yeah. I suck at starting these, dude. We are actually on our way to go ahead and pick up my car. I went ahead and dropped it at my friend's detailing garage to get its paint corrected because that car had a lot of swirls, and since it's black it makes it even worse and it just shows up 10 times. So I went ahead and took it over there last night and we're gonna go ahead and pick it up right now.
This dude was like, good morning everyone, and
bro, I suck at starting vlogs. Good morning, good morning.
Where's your car?
Woo. So yeah, I'm at Nate's. This is his, pretty much his detail garage at his own home. If you want to tell everyone what you did to the car.
So basically what we did was a one-step paint correction. We did a two-step on the hood and then the trunk, and then we put on a 6-year ceramic coating. And then that's pretty much it.
This is one of his like many services that he provides. So if any of you guys are interested, highly recommend it. He kept me updated the whole way through, and the car looks great. Even though there's a lot of imperfections on the paint, like the previous owner, I don't know if you could see, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but there's some tiny, or actually pretty long hairline scratches. We suspect that the previous owner probably used a brush.
They rough since they go.
Yeah.
I have a video of like what it was like before of the story.
Yeah, dude. The paint was so hazy.
Oh.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
I highly appreciate the work, man. Like,
Of course.
it looks amazing.
I'm throwing shot after shot. Yeah. How far am I? How many chances I got? I know I blew a whole lot, but this is more than a try. There's more in the plot. I should know, already seen this a million times. And this ain't how it stops. I'm saying this cause I know you listen when it drops. I keep asking why the Uber's so slow. Like how fast could the Escalade go? How much longer till you get home? I said I'll be there before you.
The car is finally back after getting its full paint correction and ceramic coating done by Nate's Detail Garage. They did an amazing job on this car. Unfortunately, the paint is not flawless. It looked like the previous owner may have used a brush on this paint because they did get almost all of the swirls gone, but there are some deep scratches on this paint that you can't really see on camera, but in person you could kind of see. So it isn't completely flawless, as there still is some scuffing on the paint, but honestly, it looks so good. It literally looks like a mirror now, and honestly, I can't really complain. It is a used car after all. It's not gonna be perfect, and paint is not always gonna be perfect. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so that's why I like my paint like flawless, but there's no such thing as flawless paint. Being corrected now, all of the swirls and haziness is pretty much eliminated, and it brought out this amazing metallic pearl that is actually in this paint that I didn't even know. Other than the paint correction being done in ceramic coating, I don't know if you guys could tell, but we got rid of the TRD stripe. I thought it'd be a lot cleaner with it all black, so we went ahead and did that. But we did keep the TRD sticker just cause, I don't know, I think it looks clean. Along with that, we got some blacked out side markers that are on the car now. Gives the car a totally clean, all black look. Along with what we just had installed the other day, which is the likewise shift knob. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is definitely not the last things that we're gonna be doing with this car. We're barely just getting started. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned to the channel to see what we do next for the H6, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
I'm throwing shot after shot. Yeah. How far am I? How many chances I got? I know I blew a whole lot, but this is more than a try. There's more in the plot. I should know, already seen this a million times. And this ain't how it stops. I'm saying this cause I know you listen when it drops. I keep asking why the Uber's so slow. Like how fast could the Escalade go? How much longer till you get home? I said I'll be there before you know it.